Creating a 10-minute whiteboard animation focused on technology can be an engaging and informative endeavor. Here's a suggested outline to cover various aspects of technology within this time frame. Introduction: 1 minute. Title and introduction. Introduce the topic of the video, showcasing the importance and omnipresence of technology in today's world. Definition of technology. Briefly define what technology is and its significance in modern society. Main content: 8 minutes. Evolution of technology: 2 minutes. Start with primitive tools leading up to the digital age. Highlight key milestones such as the invention of the wheel, printing press, electricity, and the internet. Impact of technology: 3 minutes. Explore how technology has revolutionized various industries such as healthcare, transportation, communication, and entertainment. Discuss both positive and negative impacts, including increased efficiency, connectivity, but also issues like job displacement and privacy concerns. Emerging technologies: 2 minutes. Discuss cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, virtual reality, and nanotechnology. Explain their potential applications and how they might shape the future. Ethical considerations: 1 minute. Touch upon ethical dilemmas posed by advancing technology, such as AI ethics, data privacy, and algorithmic biases. Stress the importance of responsible innovation and the need for ethical frameworks. Conclusion: 1 minute. Recap and call to action. Summarize key points covered in the video. Encourage viewers to stay informed about technological advancements and to participate in discussions about their impact on society. Additional tips: visual elements. Use engaging visuals, diagrams, and animations to illustrate concepts and keep viewers interested. Narration. Have a clear and engaging voiceover to guide viewers through the content. Script. Write a concise and engaging script that flows smoothly from one topic to the next. Engagement. Consider adding interactive elements like quizzes or polls to enhance viewer engagement. Music and sound effects. Use appropriate background music and sound effects to enhance the viewing experience. With careful planning and execution, a 10-minute whiteboard animation on technology can effectively inform and captivate your audience.